because your love for us sinners. Lord, help me to keep in mind that when I sin, I'm nailing you again. Teach me to love you more and partake your love offering in my heart. Lord, when my soul is torn and dry, I hope to hear from you. Wash me, my Lord, forgive me my sins. In your goodness, have mercy on me. Lord, your gentle hands, which blessed the children and the sick, are now mercilessly nailed to the wood of the cross. Your enemies dare you to come down from the cross, but you don't, not because of nails, but because your love for us sinners. Lord, help me to keep in mind that when I sin, I'm nailing you again. Teach me to love you more and partake your love offering in my heart. Lord, when my soul is torn and dry, I hope to hear from you. Wash me, my Lord, forgive me my sins. In your goodness, have mercy on me. Lord, help me to keep in mind that when I sin, I'm nailing you again. Teach me to love you more and partake your love offering in my heart. Lord, when my soul is torn and dry, I hope to hear from you. Wash me, my Lord, forgive me my sins. In your goodness, have mercy